So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And now you're going to find your network adapter. You're going to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now you're going to select use the phone DNS server address. You're going to make the first line 8888. And you're going to make the second line 8844. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And then once this comes up, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to the web browser that you're having a problem with. You're going to click on the three dots in the top right. And then click on history. And then click on history again. And now on the left hand side, you're going to click on delete browsing data. You're going to set the time range to all time. Make sure you have cookies and other site data and cache images and files both selected. You can unselect everything else, but make sure you have cookies and cache both selected, and then click on delete data. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.